The 4.2 technologies are very important to survive in this world. So let me the things in augmented reality and virtual reality. What are the things we are going to do with technology are in companies, in business insights, some of the new and more in the world are using technology which will be the augmented and virtual reality, which will be shortly known as AR and VR. So I'm going to share you the PPT which I will graph it through. Yeah, augmented reality and virtual reality. In first, we have to see the augmented reality. It is an enhanced version of the real physical world that is achieved through the use of digital visual environment. And the elements great is enhanced real and physical world out there. If some shopping are done in VR technology, it will be very useful for the things we can buy a home appliances using this technology. It is very helpful for storing and giving the inputs to our home. A type of technology that allows the digital images and information to the physical environment. It is a growing trend among companies in which will be mentioned in videos in mobile computing and business applications with particular use of AI technology. Let me go to the virtual reality. It is a computer generated with the scenes and options of objects that appear to be real. Yeah, we will get the things as virtual and we will see the things in the real world. It is very amazing technology, right? So, making user technologies of field with the surroundings. So, VR technology is used as to immerse ourselves in video games. So, so in this technology, how to perform surgery and military training and the quality of sports to maximize the performance of the virtual reality. Let me tell an example for this VR technology. In some persons are preparing for military training and person who are preparing for heart surgery or some of the important things or some person are doing the boxing, right? This technology means they are very good for this technology. They are want to use this technology because this technology will help them to survive in this technology and their career very useful and very immersive. So we can utilize these technologies as virtual reality is more impact than augmented reality. Many people are still unfamiliar of virtual reality. So we have to familiar with the concept of technology. Okay, let me tell some of the examples of the applications of the technology and virtual reality and augmented reality. So, in this application field, education, training, income, and support things are available in the virtual and AI technology. So, in this education technology, what can we do for this in teaching field? The teachers are very helpful for this technology, and the students are very useful for this technology to study, to to teach, and to educate people. Data education and these technologies are very immersive to the students. So the student will always need to learn through the online. So for this online opportunity through the world, is connecting the real world into the real world. So anybody, any person will like the people to learn online only. So we have the technological right 4.0 tech AR, VR, which will be augmented reality and virtual reality. It will be very useful to this technology, and this technology will lead to the career into our future. It will be very useful, and it makes the real world into real world. So the students and the staff are very excited to learn in this field. In training, have to see military training, the boxing training, and heart surgery training. Many of the critical situation training are done through only this AR and VR technologies only. So in this technology, we can use this technology to train ourselves and to boost ourselves with all of this entertainment part, right? So in this entertainment part, we will have many of the futures in it. We have a certain WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, and some more things. But nobody is using AR and VR technologies as an entertainment part. It will be very useful to this. All I know about ChatGPT, right? The ChatGPT is now only trending. Before ChatGPT. So what I'm going to tell is you have to make the and manage the technology, AR and VR technology very clearly. We have to invest our time. We have to invent some of the more matured applications in AR and technologies. I saw many startups. Likewise, they are only using how to fix the items, how to buy items to store our environment, keep quiet, and the neatness of our environment. So, what are I'm going to tell is we have to keep our environment very clearly, and we have to store the environmental space, which will be very neat. So, for that purpose, I'm going to share the AR and VR technology. Okay, in VR training, I told you right, medical training. In medical training, I told you that surgical training. In military training, actually, I told you about military training and sports training. It's a boxing practice over there. It's a swimming practice. It will be very easy to make our body very special. And online shopping. In online shopping, we have many ideas. For example, Warby Parker, it's a shoe company which will be made a feature in AR and VR technology. And the lens card is also using AR technology. In some of the applications or in some of the primings of environment, it's very clear with this environment. So, so in this technology, we have to survive this. In this technology, okay, I will clear with my voice. Many of them are tell about my voice in the comments in YouTube channel. So I will slip the voice in YouTube or okay. Thank you for your comments. For or being okay. In this rising VR technology, VR training technology, training, medical training, military training, sport training, and online shopping, business needs are there with this VR training. So we have to use these is in this future world how to survive with the technologies. So what I'm speaking is you have to learn technologies. It will be very easy and we have to make our future with very clear. Some of them some of them are buying with their online shopping, direct shopping, they are buying some products and they want to use that. And it's for example, we have to buy a shoe one shop. So in that shop, we have to buy a shoe is our goal. So we have to go a show and we have to shop from online. And we bought the shoe. But after buying the shoe, we are not satisfied with that. So let me exchange or return. We are initiating for the refund. So anyone is thinking about this technology? If If we are using the AR and VR technology, it means augmented reality and virtual reality technology means it will make the real world into real world. And real world into so we can make a costume with us. We can able to fix a shoe without any burdens in our shopping. So for that we are using or we are exchanging or returning refund initiating process is clear for our because we are investing our time and saving our time with the VR and AR technology and we will get some many futures which will be very fit items or dressing items, shoe items, very good with this AR technology. For a home purpose only, we are not using in many companies. Yeah, I already told you. Bobby Parker is a company which will be using a try-on. It's a try-on section. Goofy is a company. It's a shoe try-on. They are using a. Okay, my voice is still okay. Let me check with my voice. Okay, Goofy shoes. Goofy is a company which will be using a shoe try-on. If we fix it with our shoe, or we are tying on some of the shoes, so it will be very easy to fix our shoe triangles. And the Wabi on means we can fix mistakes very clearly. So that we are using. Uh, okay. It is a very important thing which will be I'm going to share. Which will be I'm going to share you in this session. In some of the futures, in some of the countries, they are using a try-ons. Is AR and VR technology, but we have to monitor, we have to give situations in what we are going to face. We have to make a project. After this session, you have to make a project. In simple word I can tell you, and it is a three steps, which will be you are creating a project. The things, three things. What is that? Spark AR. It's an app. Frame VR. It is also an app. And the Panapto. Actually, Panapto is a web which will be going to share our screen, record our screen. It will be very useful. And the Spark AR is an app which will be giving us a augmented reality. And frame VR that will be virtual art, visualize art to the surroundings. That's spark VR. I have shared you the just a spark AR. In this PPT, you will get the spark AR. If I go to search this in a Google Meet, it will give like this. Okay, and Meta Spark. I have told you that Spark AI. Actually, Spark AI is the thing which will be bought by the company. Spark is a company, and Meta is a company. Both the companies are separated, but now Spark AI is a company which will be bought by Meta Spark. It will be changed into Meta Spark. Okay, this is the thing for this. And okay, what are the things we are going to do? Access a powerful AR toolkit. Actually, AR is a tool. AR is a toolkit. We have to shape this toolkit into our life very clear. Okay? And frame VR. See, you are seeing in Google screen. Okay? In frame VR, we have to sign up in this, create a frame, and pick any one. So for this, we are logged in with environment with Microsoft or with Google and continue with Facebook and emails us login on that. With the email, we can also login. We are good to log in with all the four kind of things. And if you want to sign up with this, you can also sign up with technology. After this sign up, you have to set a password for this and using with the password you can join this and Fanato. I told you that Fanato it's free instant online screen video recorder. I told you that screen recorder, video recorder, we can also record a screen with start recording now. We have to start a recording with now with our technologies. Okay, actually, after these technologies and after these all we are going to share our things. Okay, actually this is a photo, but this photo is captured in 4 steps and I have made a collage with it. And the photo is taken from a video which I will make my product with my project. That is necessary things to build it guys. And we have to make and need to buy the headset. Headset is a important thing. Will we want to buy with this company? And we have large things and we are like many kind of headsets. In that many kind of headset, we are going to buy a budget free, which will be very easy to. Okay, how can we in this part? Yeah, I told you what can we do with this and how can we. Now I'm going to show you the thing. If you open the Spark era, if you open the Spark era, we will get a things like the Meta Spark to create an immersive. So we have to click on this AR experiences. In this, we have to get started. You will definitely get the get started button. So you have to click on that. After the click of your click button and get started button. Get if you didn't have all the first one Metaspark, you didn't have a idea about Metaspark means, you have to get a Metaspark Studio. After downloading your Metaspark Studio in that, you have to create a project. So likewise, you will use your programs blog community manage effects. This started button you have to click this, and on this page it will be there Metaspark Studio, Metaspark Player, Metaspark Play for desktop system requirements. So in many of this we are having this. And for the tutorials, you didn't know about the knowledge in Metaspark, or you didn't know about the Metaspark tutorials. So you can go through the tutorials. After go through the tutorials, you can also share the uh, projects. You can also able to create the projects, which will be very easy for you. And some of the courses you have just Metaspark in tutorial section can also watch that. So to find the Spark AR, and after that you can start with the articles and the editors, Spark AR, and in programs you will get many things. And in mobile also we can have Spark Studio, and in desktop also you have a Spark Studio. After that, you have to get a Metaspark, and you have to the real world real world. After real world they do, you can also catch the expressions or catch the impressions of your project. And you can also publish in the Metaspark Studio. For that, you have to download Metaspark Studio for accessing your new kit and accessing the community or the blog, and you have to know the futures. So after that frame there also we can have a frame. Frame here we can add a frame, or we can only have a frame with this technology. Frame here is a frame. It will be very our community 4.0 technology. It will be very easy for us, and it will be very honorable for us. And we can also sign up for this. And you can do startup in real technology. It will be very useful for us. You can also fix a frame, frame pricing. You can create a frame, and you can price your frame very clear with this technology frame here, and you have to towers at us. In this technology, you have to care about the things and care about the things you can do a project with this. So in this creative frame, you can pick any one at one. For example, your college, for example, your office, or some are your favorite place. With some of that, you can use with this technologies, and you can also create with that. So in this technologies, the futures are available, and VR technology is to be a very clear technology, and this will play the virtual environment, real world into real. So in this project, you can create a environment using the VR technology. Yeah. And after creating this, actually, frame VR, Spark AR. These are the technologies which we are going to create a technical board map. So in this technical board map, you have to maintain a certain recordings. In this recordings, you have to share your recordings through the YouTube or some of the social media. For that, sharing is very useful for you and your future with this 4.2 technology. For that, you have to create a project in Spark AR. You have to create a project in Frame VR. After creating this both, you have to merge your project. Actually, you have to merge the both project, and it will be very useful and the very important thing is you have to record your screen with this start recording now. And one more thing is an apto is the thing which will be at free of cost. We can share our screen and record our screen. This will be not any disturbance, voice breaking, and some of the examples like disturbance. In this Panapto, you have to record your screen, and both the recordings over, you have to speak about the project. First, you have to introduce yourself in first the thing, and second, you have to maintain a certain cost. What are you some plan like what are you going to yourself inside? What are you going to speak about this in this project? What are you going to invent or invest? The word is or invest. Invest is different. Invent is different. You have to invent. Okay. You have to invent the 4.0 technology, AI and VR. And after that, some people, some companies, or the world famous agencies are coming forward and they are going to invest for your invent is your success. For that, to do a project AR, Spark AR, and mix the both projects with a single project and start using the Panapto recording your screen to tell about your project. First, you have to introduce yourself. You have to thank for the person who is very here with your future. And third thing is you have to share your one of the things you are going to share is you have to pick any one title. For example, I have made a project in frame VR and car AR, and this I have a college, right? In my college, I chose my college to do this project. Actually, in my college, there are many buildings. It is an institution which will be having the one institution. There will be five colleges: hospital, nursing, pharmacy, engineering, and MBA. So in this five departments we have, but if I have chose a engineering department, in this engineering department I have choose one department, that is CS department. So in this CSC department, we have to choose the thing. It's my department. I have choose my department, and I want to share the things for the whole institution. The overall institution, I have shared and I have chosen my only my department. And in that department, I have picked CSE. And that CSE, I have made a project like uh, going inside my college, going inside of my curriculum, going inside of my engineering engineering villa. So it's not important. My thought is only about to focus on my own department, that is CC department. So I have chosen this. Okay. Uh, in this, for the entering, I will get like this. So Department of Computer Science and Engineering, I will get this, and after that, I have slight move to the features. It will be showing the full of my safety one. And for that thing is, I captured a pictures that is more this technology, that is VR technology. It will be very useful. And after your recording, you can also make a collage. You can always take a screenshot and make a collage with this technology. It will be very useful. This in that you will get a pictures. Okay. After that, you can polish this and you can publish your content on social media. It will be very useful for your future. It will be very useful because it can move to surroundings in this technical world. In this technical world, VR technology is very important to survive in this technical world. So we are going to share about the things is certain certain things under certain environments. So for this technical world, you are going to share about the things in this technology. For that, you need to do is only one thing. You have to share in this technology and you have to show this technical environment and build the project. It is very important for your our future. Actually, the 4.0 technology is booming technology, and without coding, or with coding, AR and VR technology is very useful to make a project. So you have to make a project with AR and VR technology. It is very useful for this, and we can build a technical outcome this technology. So like that, we are going to talk about this technical world or environment this technology. So and a headset is necessary to feel. Okay. In VR technology, it is actually very important. In the real world, into VR, it is not a it is not good, but it will be very useful for work technology in the future. It will be complicated thing to develop a real outcome in VR technology, which will be virtual reality, and it will be computer generated only. But you have to fix the things in the VR technology, and you have to make your surrounding immersed with this technology. It will be very useful for you and your future. And after that, we have to do this technology. Actually, the thing is, augmented reality and virtual are very useful technologies, but it is not at all. It is not at all used in nowadays. So we have to simply implement and improve our technical environment world in the augmented reality and reality. So in this technology and technical world, you have to develop the technical outcomes and technologies. So for this, we have to do Ubuntu or only one thing. You have to invent. The company are invest. If you invent something new with this AR and VR technology, actually it is a booming technology. So the company will come forward and invest for your project mean it will be a success for your project and your career. So it will be very important thing to do a project in this technology, and the thing is very clear. You have to invent and invest. Yeah, AR and VR technology is a booming technology. You have to invest your time, and many companies are doing the technology, and some of the applications which I already told you that. And the key mantras and the key things I told you that Spark AR, Frame VR, Panapto. It is a thing. We are going to share our projects. We have to share our project with three mantras: Spark AR, Frame VR, Panapto. It is a thing which we are going to share with this technical world or technologies. So for that, even we have a technical outcome. So we will get the methods to show that. Okay, let me show another PPT. Actually, in that we will get more information about Spark AI and Stellar technology. In this technical world, we have to build our environment with this screen or without output or input in many things we will do with this technology. For that, right, you have to develop our technical skills in that. So, Spark AR Frame VR, this technology, we will give out many outputs and details in this technology. So, it will be very technical insights in this technologies. So, we have to do this actually. I'm sorry. Okay, for that, I'm sorry for the inconvenience or inconvenience. In this thing, we have to share the thing in this future environment, and we have to share the things in future and share the things in continuous environment. We have to share the things and we have to learn only two things that's going to be future environment. That is, likewise, we have to learn Python, we have to learn Java, we have to learn many things, but in that we have any idea about what technologies like what is IoT, AR technology, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, and IoT technology. And we have an idea about the companies are looking for Python and Java, but AR technology, deep technology, and AI, ML, and, some of the 4.2 technology is the data science. Data science is also technology, and in that data science technology, all of the persons are known about the AI technology, and artificial intelligence and machine learning is a technical word that will be impact of future in the future environment. AI ML is a very important technology. In this technical world, you are going to perform very well in AI and ML and AR and VR and many of the point food technology will be very easier to carry on in the future. Actually, the main important thing is we have to make the project. All the things we have a project section only. So in that project section, we are choosing things, the many situations and the many people that are going to come in this environment. But what can I tell is, uh, what can I choose is project is a good thing, and it will be very easy for the person, and it will be very helpful to other person, and it will be a society use only. Actually, for the educated people or non-educated people, both the people we have to use the projects. That is our for the project. If you are doing a project and you have to check the thing is what the project implemented. For example, I have shared my project, college project. In that college project, I have a motto. For that, what is the motto is I have to share my CSA department. So it is a motto. But the overall college is there. But what can I decided to do that in my CSA department, I will build my department very clear with this environment. So that's my motto. All the person who want to see my department and CSA department, this is my motto. But if I choose a for this project, so in that project, I can choose an environment with this technology, or if I choose the Spark, uh, yeah, technology, yeah, technology means I will definitely choose my project as companies, shopping mall, and malls are some. So even venues is not important for us. Even the venues are not important for us. One of the things is important for us is the motto of the project. The project useful for all the people in this society. It is very useful for us because project is going to build our future. Okay? For not only us, for not only us, all the people in the surrounding, in the environment, the project will build a great future with our environment. So for that, we have to promote project. And the educated people are not educated people. It is not a problem. It is not at all a problem. Mm. And the project is useful for the educated people and non-educated people. Both people are going to use this project in the future environment nowadays. After that, you have to make your project very clear test the project 1 hour more time. For that, the thing is we have to check the project. We have to check the project with the environment is very clear, and for with this project, it's not a problem. It's actually not a problem. For that thing, you have to confidence in that project. If one project is going to be very in technology or very good in the future is the project will get the many failures, the project will get many complications, and the project will get many things with the technical environmental error. Actually, you all know about the errors, right? Errors debugging. You have to debug the project. You have to make a correct with the error. So in that, error is not a particular problem. Debugging is not a complicated problem. The main thing is you did have to with your project. You didn't need to come back or actually what told us in the starting itself, I made a project. So I'm speaking only about the project. So actually, my thought is I have to give a intro and I have to give her some of the insights, short insights, and I have to make uh, make the person the webinar the person will able to make the project. So for that, I have started to speak about the technology projects only. Okay, so in that technology, you have to make your thing very clear and your future is very bright for this project. Actually, what I'm told, if we are making one, the project never goes to fail. The project will never goes to fail. You have to make the project very clear environment. It is very important and a calm environment. It's not getting all the person or not get the common environment or calm environment. So you have to adapt yourself and you have to make the things with a great knowledge and you have to select any one topic. It is your company, it is your office, it is your even the kids of like the cartoon, right? You can also make the cartoons and augmented reality and virtual reality technical project. So, for the some of the examples, but Chinchan, actually, Dora Buji, like that. It is all the things are only AI technology. It will be very easy. All technology are used to build a future. This technical work. AR one-on-one tools for available in the online. Or you can visit and go through the AR technology project, and it will be very useful for project ideas. You can project on this, and you can. It is a 150 project idea that you have got means. You can write what are the things your idea. You write the list of the projects and you have to choose only one. If you are getting the idea of 500 project means, list out that 500 project. If you are getting spark with the improvement, only one project means, write the project. And what are the things you are going to implement in the project? Write them. After that, search in the aim and frame related app and tools. What are the the companies are able to forward and they will buy the project. Likewise, you will get a chance to make us a company or business or business to make this. You can also get a income. Okay, your project is an invention. Your project is an invention. And the companies will the companies will invest investment. For that investment, have to do a thing is make a project very clear, make the project very good in the future. Think that you are after 10 years, after 5 years, what will be the global will needs as what the global will needs us in the environment. Think about that. Actually, in 5 years before, there is an earthquake, there is an typhoon with this actually 2016, I think, 2016 we got Bertha Puyal. After that Bertha Puyal, many cyclones are formed in that. So after that cyclone, they are calculating that what are the cyclones after now and what are the cyclones after 10 years. They can't able to calculate with this technology, with AI and everything. But you have to calculate this. What are the moving things that will be happen or happening in after 10 years or after 5 years? What are the things are going to be happen? What is the things you are going to focus? Choose any one topic and write a solution for that problem. Actually, choose any one topic about this problem and write a solution for that problem. And you have to implement the idea and you have to present the format of this project. And the project will be very useful for us in the future and the solution, the format, the project will be with all environment. In that, we will get ideas in the future environment. The projects are very clear. After 10 years or after 5 years, after 15 years, the thing is, what are the problems are going to be after 15 years or after first, 50 years. The years 15 or 50, it's not important. What are the things happened, going to happen in 50 years about, or 50 years before? So you have to meet the project for that problem. Problem. For the particular problem, you have to create a solution. If you are creating a solution, you are creating a solution. The thing is, you have to make the format of the problem and solution. and you can write the particulars of it, and you can make a document of it. After that, you have to search with the smart AR and print AR with this solution and the problem. Like you have to for that, for example, in my area, I have a idea for that. The particular line will be typed Spark AR for Unpaid Command. They are show, they will definitely show some of the inputs. So you have to pick the inputs, okay? And what are the inputs? Very complicated. Choose the complicated. After the complicated inputs, you have to choose or fix the topic in the complicated input. You have to choose the input and present a momento. Okay? Momento is for our not only about momento if you are invented something. If you are invented a new thing, you can also it is a thing. Very, very easy. And we have shared about the intro, Pakeya and Premier and we have device, augmented reality, virtual technology, for the augmented reality, we have get some of the points in that augmented reality, real world into real world. Okay, we have a real world. Uh, for example, all the person I'm watching the serials, cinemas, okay, uh, serial pass, cinema pass, all are the real pack. And for the real life, we have a some pack. So in that particular thing, augmented reality is a real world, okay, which will real uh, application. Okay, in we are training. In VR training and in VR training, we will get some of the crayons or final touches, uh, creating a project. Okay, we have shared like this. And headset is a necessary thing to feel environment. So headset is for our need. We can choose our environment. Okay. Any queries about the technology, AR and VR technology? If we have any questions, you can also share in. Okay, air technology, VR technology, and the headset of recording, and many things are shared in this technical environment. This is a moving technology. We have a project in this. And how was the session? If you have any queries, any questions, or anything, you can just ask me. And I think a little bit of my session, my voice break in few minutes. So sorry for that. And if you have any questions or queries, you can also ask me. Okay, I'm going to close the session because time is over. And for last and final touch, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, no one else have any question. Great for that, and happy for doing the people who are enjoying me. And thanks to both IoT, both company for their wonderful opportunity that was given to me to speak in this session master class. So likewise, I will thank to the opportunity. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you for joining in this session.